everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. So as you guys can tell by the title down below, I am finally going to be doing a neutral look. By finally I mean it's been a while, like the past maybe 6 or 7 videos of mine have been like with colorful looks or something vibrant or something like that, and I just thought, you know, like sometimes everybody don't feel like wearing color, and that's okay. So I want to go ahead and do something more neutral, more natural. As I'm getting ready to go hang out with my friend, I'm gonna go hang out with her. We haven't seen her since this whole quarantine thing happened, so it's been weird, but finally get to go hang out with a girl, you know, little girls night or whatever. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and show them what I'm about to do, as well as showcasing a black owned makeup brand, and that would be Juviasplace, because you guys know I stand for Juviasplace and all their eyeshadows. I'm going to be showcasing the nudes. I did the chocolate palette and I also did the berries palette, but I didn't get to the last 2 palettes. So in today's video I'm definitely going to be doing the nudes palette, which is definitely more neutral, more natural, more everyday friendly for everybody. And if I need to, I will dip into the chocolates palette. I actually haven't even opened this yet. Like, I'm really opening it for the first time now. It's just been sitting in my collection, and I kept saying I was gonna do a video, and then I just started doing other stuff, and I've been buying too much makeup, and now I'm starting to go back to the stuff that I bought at the beginning of this whole thing, and I'm starting to use it all. And then this is the inside of the palette. My lights are probably reflecting, making it look way lighter than what it is, but that is the palette. And yeah, like I said, I am getting ready to go out, have a little girls night with my friend, and I don't want to make this a long video for you guys, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to just take a dry sponge and just dab over my eyelids. I don't know why my eyelids have been getting oily all of a sudden, but just so I can have like a clean surface. And then I'm going to use my, no shock, I'm going to use my concealer and define, wait, what is it called? Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. I don't know why, like all of a sudden I'm messing this up, like I don't use this every day. Shade number 6 is what I'm going to take, and I'm going to take that, of course, as my transition shade. Yeah, I think this is just actually that close to my skin shade. So I'm all good with that. It's cool. I'm gonna take this peachy shade, mix with this. Let's just mix them. This is more of like a light orange, like a very, very light orangish, and then this one is like more pink, peachish. Don't mind, no problem. So I am gonna just hop right into the chocolates palette really quickly for the darker shades, and then I'll come back to the nudes. And this is the chocolate palette. I will link my video up above so you guys can check out the original look that I did with it. I'm gonna use these 2 browns. Trying to keep this one in my lid space this time and not go overboard. And then I'm gonna go back to this brown from the nudes palette. So I'm gonna use my E.L.F glitter primer. Then I'm gonna take this shade number 1 first. I just wanna see what it does. I'm gonna apply them dry first. So it looks very like rose gold pinkish in the pan, and then when I put it on my eye, for at least my skin tone, it looks like it's just a pretty champagne gold. Going back to the chocolates and literally just gonna blend and blend that, the edges. So it's not like a full halo eye, it's kind of like peekaboo, like that. And as I was blending, I gently, I may have went over the glitter, the shimmer, whatever you want to call it, with the brush, so it may look like it's darkening the shimmer which is actually not that bad either. At least for this look. Like it tones it down, but it's still like I'm still here. But yeah, so that is the eye more or less done for now until I do, you know, the whole base and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna go ahead, do the other eye off camera, and then I will come back. And that was all with one dip. One dip. That's what I'm talking about. I know y'all probably thinking, girl, that look crazy. It's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. I gotta trust me. I'm going to step into my E.L.F powder using my foundation brush because this is a multi-purpose buffing brush, and I just going to use the E.L.F matte blotting mist. Gotta do the lower lash line, so we're gonna go back to the chocolates palette. And then just gonna go into that shade and gently smoke that out. Let's go back to the Nudes palette and let's go ahead and do this gold soft gold, which you guys really can't tell if it's, this is a soft gold. And I literally just like, I don't want to say drag, but like sweep it out a little bit. Instead of just like leaving it right there, sweep it out a little bit. And because I lost a little of my gloss, I'm just gonna reapply it. This is the Flesh Hot Sauce Lip Gloss in the shade Snow Globe. And then I'm gonna use this MegaGlo highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Awesome Blossom. Right there. That's literally all I wanted. I ain't want no problems today. I'm also going to be trying the Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe. Oh, it smells like watermelon. I don't like watermelon. Alright, so let me go ahead, go off camera, do something to my hair, and then I'll come back with the finished look.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Alright everybody, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope this natural and neutral look was easy for everybody to do or follow along or recreate or anything like that. I'm glad I finally got to try out this palette and realize that it is not truly meant for dark girls without the help of this or one of the other palettes. It does say on the website that all of these complement each other, so I'm glad that these worked out very well, especially if you are a woman of color as dark as me. You definitely want to use the chocolate palettes or any neutral palette that you have to deepen it up, but these shades and the shimmers in here were absolutely beautiful, and I love the overall look. Like, it feels so weird to just have neutral colors on my eyes instead of like something colorful, something bright, something vibrant, something unique. This is just like an everyday wearable, and yeah, that literally wraps it up for me. That's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you guys have any requests, as I always mention, please go ahead and comment those down below. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to see more looks like this instead of always colorful looks, please let me know and I will try with different palettes and stuff like that. And yeah, that's all I have to say, and I will catch you guys in my next one. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace. Wait, that wasn't even my original sign out. You see how much I'm feeling myself? See, I don't even know how to do my original sign out, but yeah. Whatever. I do hope you guys are staying so safe and healthy, but for sure I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.